As a fellow Indian, I'm sure you've at least tried the iconic Haldirams Aloo Bhujia at least once. Pune Gas's association with Haldirams began a few years ago, I think 5 or 6 years ago, wherein it was a new project that they were coming up with, a new manufacturing facility. The problems that they faced were very typical of any other company in India which expands and grows over a period of time. If you don't have a robust and a solid LPG system, you are going to face a lot of issues in your production. You're going to lose out on production time, you're going to lose out on valuable output, your raw materials might get damaged, and ultimately your finished goods won't come out in time at the right quantity with the right taste. So for the new Greenfield project, once we stepped in, we really understood the voice of Haldirams. We understood their requirements. We went deep into exactly knowing how much their gas consumption would be, how it would be used, and what are the different points of consumption they had within their plant. We gave them a detailed design, detailed engineering, and an entire drawing, PNIDs, layouts, schemes, BOQs, and end-to-end consulting for the new project that they were coming up with. Impressed with our capabilities, Haldirams thought we could be a long-term partner for their LPG solutions. Thank you, team Haldirams. From all of us at Pune Gas, we are very proud and happy to have you as an esteemed customer of ours from the last so many years, and we really hope that our fruitful relationship continues long into the future.